Hello and welcome to another episode of Rotax News. In this heartwarming story, you will find one man flying his Rotax-powered aircraft over the remote Congo rainforest. His mission is to rehabilitate orphan chimpanzees and fly them to LWIRO Primates, which is a rehabilitation center and sanctuary in Central Africa. Anthony Carre filmed one of his rescues as he flies an orphan chimp back to sanctuary. It's amazing to see the chimp sitting on the pilot's lap as he plays with the aircraft controls during the flight. Anthony Carre is an anti-poaching pilot at Virunga National Park in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and is also a self-described explorer and conservationist. If you want to help Anthony with his cause of saving chimpanzees and monkeys from the hands of poachers, you can visit his website at www.lwiroprimates.org. You can also check out Anthony's Instagram page, Anthony Carre, for more photos of his awesome rescues. If you like today's episode, please visit and subscribe to www.rotaxowner.com, where you will receive email notification on Rotax news updates, website updates, and critical to safety information for your Rotax aircraft engine. We also have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Fly safe.